back.
Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Plus Size Models RSA.
Yes. Hashtags. With
confidence.
Yes.
So guys, resta continue ka topic ya confidence.
Yes.
So na ke tlo bolela ka my own side how I lost my confidence and how I regained it. Gore ke be mo today ke khono go bolela le lena ke helper go bring out confidence ya lena go build up. So I wrote some of the things here. But your confidence is something that it's built on many factors. Small or big interactions can shape how you feel about yourself. People spend much of their times without confidence. People define beauty and health in different ways that makes it powerless. So guys, at some point in life, I lost my confidence, especially when it comes to relationships. Because relationships at some point, it's hard work. But love can be inconsistent sometimes. But believe me, relationship at some point it's rewarding.
Yes.
So now what worked for me is that patience is always been the key. Be patient with yourself. And Lord, I respect my time and I understand I get strong fella just because of on a normal daily basis. Get strong too much, especially when I feel down. I've come to learn that there are key factors that help me build my confidence. So I hope these factors will also help you build your own confidence, so that you may believe in yourself and have self-love in between. So please do not forget to do what? To subscribe and comment and like. Ndiyacela. So the first thing is that understand that media is not as positive, especially not all that glitters is gold. So media, what you see, it's not what you get.
Yes.
Some people in the media, they don't like it's not their real lives. So what to compare not all that glitters is gold. So I used to believe that being a beautiful plus size is when you have a slim neck, a thick face, buttocks, flat stomachs. But believe me, don't be fooled by the media.
Yes.
Media, sometimes it's unrealistic. It's unrealistic in media at some point.
There's too much
and then
ambitions.
that's the thing.
Yeah.
All women are created with a hourglass figure. And that's okay. You are big, I'm thin, she's fat. It's okay. Just be yourself. Just be your own self. And then number 2 is that I'll tell you that surround yourself with positive people.
Yes.
Immediate time unani surroundings is positive, you're going to be positive.
Yeah.
And immediate time unani surroundings is negative,
you are
they will always drag you down. So that's the thing. Always surround yourself with positive people, because of once you have support, you have everything. Everyone needs support. Believe me with that. And then immediate time when you surround with positive people, it will also boost your confidence, because of anger every day and you will realize you are not the only one that is feeling that way. And it's okay to feel that way.
Thousands of people out there
that are feeling that way. And that's why I tell you, surround yourself with positive people, so that you can see that you're not the only one who is feeling that way. And then the third thing I'll tell you is that invest in yourself.
It's time to get inside the closet, guys.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
Invest in yourself. It's bonang. Immediate time you tell yourself that I can do this, you're going to do it. That's why I tell you that today, invest in yourself. This, it means that freeing your mind from all the negativity and put the positive things in your mind.
Yes.
Free yourself. Free your mind. Have an open-minded.
And your soul.
That's the thing. So immediate time you drag yourself down, that shows your mind is not free.
And the world will drag you down.
And the world will drag you down. And then if you feel good, it's rough. Give yourself a break.
Yes.
But I'm not telling you to give yourself a break to put negative things in your mind.
Yeah.
Give yourself a break, but don't forget, you should always be positive and be
Exactly.
You're not the only one that is feeling that way. So please, boost your confidence. And then I'll tell you, Gutini, not everyone will love you. Help the haters.
Yes.
Help them.
Exactly.
Even the time they tell you that you're big, say yes, but I'm working with confidence.
Yes.
Yeah.
Help the haters. Bona. Bari mo pilong o ka tloa ke batho ba 1,000 wa rata ko mo one.
Yes.
It matters.
So I'm telling you today, help them. Help the haters. But who say? So immediate time that you are helping the factors, immediate time unandi haters, and then usna confident, it's hard to move on. Because of awuna confident ka mo batho ba bolela. Batho ba really selo empilweni.
Exactly, and people will always talk whether you do
good or you do bad. They will always talk.
Yeah.
So, and the other thing is that kill them with kindness.
Yes.
Immediate time I
Smile,
say
baby.
help the haters. Immediate time but you're too fat. Say okay.
I
know. Kill them with kindness. There is nothing else to irang. I get some over this squint. It's a move etana levona. No.
O tseba gore immediately o kwata ija wena mong o fitla
That's the
go ntlong,
thing.
ija wena o iwane bona ba tswile mo yona ka
Wa ntlhalohanya.
wena wa fitla wa ke kore
O robala ka dikobo.
exactly o kitima dijo he ba re ke nna ke sedlutla he nna wa
Only to find out how to timedi job ya get them only furale.
That's the thing.
I give me
there's this thing people we don't understand. Hona le body ye e dirang ke dijo, yes. Hona le natural body ya di gene
Yeah.
from the family or ubelehe ka yona. There's nothing you can do about that. I can go to gym, ka gyma, ka slima. Once I leave the gym,
Milo orvo.
times 3.
Yes.
That's it. That's natural.
Wait, why? Because of awiri kabo wena. We are because of onani pressure hore.
Ya hore motho
The
wa mongwe
second
o
person is
itse.
saying something
Yes.
negative about me.
Yes. And guys, let's say modimo a se slela. Modimo a ka se re dire batho ba o swana ka moka. You know why? Because re ka se tlhomphana.
Re ka se respectane.
Yeah.
That's why mo lefatsheng go na le batho ba ba reng these people are poor, these people are
Are rich.
Because ne re ka se re tlhomphane, there will be no respect.
Thank
So me being chubby, that's what God gave me, and I'm born this person will handle this body.
That's the thing.
Yes, I
But
can't
God
think
won't
that's
give you something that you won't
Exactly.
handle.
Never.
Yeah.
Yes.
Never.
So I'll tell you again, Horing, put yourself first and
Yes.
always take risk.
Yeah.
Motho kono fitla shopong a rwetse two piece e ka irata mara nna e ka sentshwane.
How do you know?
How do you know? Because of you never tried it on.
on.
Wa ntlhaloganya?
Yeah.
So I'm telling you today, Horing, try it on.
Yes.
Maybe it even looks better in you.
Exactly.
You don't know.
Exactly.
So I'm going to tell you, Horing, try it on. And then another thing, Horing, stop comparing yourself with other people.
Yes.
You are not them, they're not you.
And they will never.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
So, pressure ya social media. Stop it, guys.
Exactly.
Stop it. Because of when o nyoko bona batho ba le ba di flat stomach o ka nna ke pressure hore yona a ke pila eng. Ke le boditse hape hore not all that glitters is gold. A se tsa tsotlhe tse di shinang e leng gold.
Bana ba go ha e tlhapang.
Le beng
Ka
pila.
bosela lena le be
Bathong
pila.
lena re
Le
check-e
nkge smart.
hape le ntebelele he ke
That's it.
smile.
Those gods you are talking
O
about.
ntlhalohanya. This is confidence, guys.
Yeah, confidence.
It's confidence.
Ana motho mo wa tlotla mo wena fitla re phuti o pila
No one.
No.
Everything starts from you.
within yourself.
And then enjoy your journey ya hao. O ska jahela dilo mo life.
Exactly.
Tsamaya ka pace
Don't
ya
worry, wena le
hao.
steps a sona.
That's the thing. So enjoy your journey. And then motho hai, tla go botsa one thing. Count your blessings.
Yes.
Do not forget to count your blessings. Come callings do tla eng. You are blessed. And then after all, in every part of your body that you want to change, find koreng nna grateful. Fa mokhaba o nna grateful hore wa itse koreng le heke ja thata a ke bipedi. Wa ntlhalohanya? Be grateful about your things. Ora mara wa itse le ntse se re pesa ka ke se game. Ka itse re henkala motho ka re one a ka se emelle. Wa ntlhalohanya? So be grateful. Nna grateful ngwana modimo nna grateful. Wa ntlhalohanya? And then after all, You are beautiful in your own way. You
Yes.
must know that. And then utte thate
Yeah.
in your skin tone.
Yes.
Tell yourself
Bathong.
you are beautiful.
Bathong. Ke belegwa ke lo motala bjano le mpona re ke bja mmara. And
Maranye
very much
o te potsa o
beautiful.
reng you are beautiful.
Exactly. Bathong.
Batong ba modimo nna ka mariha ke lo moseo bjana ke tswa ditšhubaba mara le ntse ke tetebeletse mo speeding ke re ke fila.
Ne.
That's what is called confidence.
Yes.
Wa ntlaloganya?
Yeah.
So please people, immediate time o nane a positive mind and open-minded, dilo tsa go di tlo tsamaya pila mo
Yeah.
lifeng.
Far you go.
Stop dragging yourself down. Surround yourself with positive people, not with negative people.
ones.
Count your blessings. Stop comparing yourself with other people. Stop it. I say stop it.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Wow.
So we say hashtag Duda walk with confidence.